Welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to be working on this problem. We are still looking for AutoCAD to solve this problem. And this question says that use general method, construct a heptagon which has length of side equal to 25 millimeters. That is the question. Okay, so let's go and see how this problem can be solved. So the first thing that we are going to do, we need to put on the auto mode, and then we click on line to draw a line of length 25 millimeters. So this line has a length of 25 millimeters. So here we have 25, then enter. All right, so we have this line. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line at the midpoint of this line. So I'm not going to do that by bisection. So what I will just do is to locate the midpoint of this line. So now, I'm going to repeat the line and draw a vertical line like this, okay? So of any length, okay? So then I'm going to click on this line, and then I will take this point. All right, so I'm going to, okay, so I will take the midpoint and then I will move it like this. So move it. So this is the midpoint of the line. So we have this. So I'm going to extend this and take it up a little bit. So this is it. Okay, so I'm going to, all right, so I'm going to label this point. So this point now, so I'm going to label it. I'll come to text here. So click on single line text. Then I will give it a height of 2 and then rotation angle of 0. So that's it. So here we have this point. So this point, I'll call it point A. And this point here, I will call it point B. Okay. So then, all right. So I need to move this a bit. All right, so I'm trying to adjust the letters. All right, so we have this. So we have, okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is that, so we are constructing a heptagon. That's a 7-sided polygon. And before I go on to construct that heptagon, so there's something I need to do. So I'm going to draw a line from this point A here, and that line will be at an angle of 45 to the horizontal. So it will be at an angle of 45. So if you can see on the screen, so we have the angle to the 45. I will drop it here like this. Okay. Then I will also draw a line. So from point B, and that line will be at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So all I have to do is to make sure that this is equal to okay, so the angle should be around 120. The angle should be 120. Okay. So if it is 120, it will be at 60 degrees to the horizontal. So this is it. So let's find out. This angle is 60 degrees. If you want to confirm it, so I can show you that the angle is 60 degrees. This is it. So I just need to click on this and click on this line. Okay. So let's see. So you can see that the angle is 60 degrees. All right. So that's it. So now, so this point here, that we have here, so this point, so I'm going to number this point. So I will come to text and select single line text. I want to change the height of the numbering. So I will make it 1.5. So make it 1.5, and then the rotation angle is 0. So this point here, so this point here is 0.4, and then this point here is 0.6. So this 0.4 and 0.6, so for 0.4, if I want to draw a square, so I'm going to make use of this point to draw a circle that will give me a square. Why this 0.6 here? If I want to draw a hexagon, I'm going to make use of this point to draw a circle that will give me a 6-sided polygon. Okay, but we are going to heptagon, which is 7. So what I need to do, I need to bisect the distance between this 0.4 and 0.6. I need to do that. So to do that, I will come to arc here. I will select this arc. Okay. Then with center 4, so I'll give it a radius of 30. Okay. Oh, that 30 is too much. Okay. I will take it again. Okay. So with center 4 here, I'll give it a radius of 10. All right. So it goes like this. All right. So then I will take it again. So with the center 4, so I'm going to draw again, and then radius is 10. It goes like this. All right, so now I will now make use of center 6. So with the same radius of 10, so it goes up like this. Then I'll repeat it. So with center 6 again, so the same radius of 10. So it goes in this direction. All right, so I can now draw a line to join these 2 points together, the point of intersection of the arcs, okay? So the midpoint, this point is 0.5, okay? So I'm going to number that point. So I'll just copy this. So this point now, so I'm going to edit this and call it 5. So this is 0.5, okay? So then now, so we want to get 0.7. So to get 0.7, I need to know the distance between 0.4 and 5 or 0.5 and 6, anyone that I like. So I will click on this, and then I will drag this point and this point. That is 4.5088. So 4.5088. So I'm going to locate that point. So I'll make use of arc. So from this point, I take that as center. So 4.5088. So I move like this. That's the point. So this is 0.7 now. So I'm going to copy this. Okay. So I'll copy this and bring it here. All right, so I will edit it. So this is 0.7. All right, so we have located the point. So I'm going to trim this. Okay. All right, so we have that. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to make use of this center. Okay, so this center 7, and then we extend to B or we extend to A, any one of them, to draw a circle. So we take a circle, and then this is the center of the circle. Then we extend to A or B, so we drop it. So that's it, okay? So now, so the length is 25. The length is 25. We don't have to find that. So the length is 25 already. So what you just need to do is to make arcs of length 25 on the circumference of the circle. So we take this arc here now. Okay, so we take this as center and we extend it. So we are going to have it. So we have 25. So it goes like this. So we take it again. So this is the center now. So here we have 25. So this is 3. Okay. Then from here, so this is the center. So we have this. So that is 25. Okay. So again, so we take it. So this is the center. So we take it here, 25. Okay. So then I think the last one, we're having the last one now. This is the center. So we have it like this. So 25. All right. So that's it. So what we have to do now is to join the point together with straight lines. So we connect this together with this. So connect this with this. So we connect this. with this, we connect this with this, and we connect this with this, and then we connect the last one here. So that is it. Okay, so I'm going to make sure we can see this triangle, this heptagon clearly. Okay. All right, so we are going to take in this. All right, so this is the construction. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.